Once upon a time, in a land where sunshine danced through forests and glimmered over the rolling hills, there lived a little boy named Ethan. Ethan loved to play outside, chasing butterflies and splashing in the village creek. Every day, the warm sun would greet him, shining brightly above. One morning, as Ethan woke up just like any other day, he noticed something peculiar. The rosy-cheeked sun was nowhere to be seen. Instead, a soft, gentle light enveloped the world, casting everything in hues of lavender and silver. Curious little Ethan set out to explore this unusual day. He wandered through the meadow where the bees buzzed lazily, and his favorite flowers seemed to whisper secrets to the dancing wind. "Where is the sun?" Ethan asked the wise old owl perched on the grand oak tree. The owl, in her wisdom, hooted gently. "Ah, my dear Ethan, today the sun is taking a rest. It needs to recharge its warmth and light, just as we sometimes do." Comforted by the owl's words, Ethan continued his adventure, meeting friendly creatures and hearing about their tales of courage and kindness. In the heart of the forest, Ethan met a playful squirrel named Sophie. Sophie was gathering acorns, her bushy tail flicking excitedly. "The sun may feel shy today," Sophie chirped, "but it's still watching over us." Ethan saw how the world continued to be lively and tender, even under the silvery light. The trees swayed their branches, animals played, and life moved on, just like any other day. "Look, Ethan," Sophie called out. "There's a soft warmth in the air. The sun's loving smile is here, even if we can't see it." Ethan understood that the sun's rest didn't mean it had vanished. Much like the moon, it sometimes needed a break, reminding everyone of the importance of patience and resilience. As the day drew to a close, Ethan returned home. The sky began to wrap itself in a velvety dusk, twinkling with stars. Ethan felt snug and happy, knowing that the sun would return soon, as bright and cheerful as ever. With a heart full of joy and calm, Ethan whispered goodnight to the gentle world outside, ready to dream pleasant dreams under the quiet gaze of the moon. The sun's temporary rest taught him the value of perseverance, the beauty of nature, and the magic that resides in every day. And so, Ethan drifted into slumber, his mind filled with thoughts of wonder and hope. The world was indeed a magical place, and the sun would soon light up the sky once more, just as it always had.